Good morning. Good morning. This is the last sea day. We will arrive back in Galveston tomorrow. Thank you. We are here to do a seafood breakfast, and this is normally served in one of the dining rooms. So I'm going to show you guys the menu. All right, guys, here's the menu. They have chilled juices, fresh fruit, cereals, yogurt. They can do omelets for you. They have the smoked salmon and toasted bagel, things off the grill like pancakes and things from the bakery, and all types of teas and coffees, hot chocolates, and skim milk. All right, guys, we received a little information about the head of culinary arts and the executive chef and the director of operations. Guys, also when you're in the main dining room, they will serve croissants and danishes. This is a blueberry danish that I selected. All right, I got a smoked salmon bagel with cream cheese. And guys, I also have a cook-to-order omelet. It said it takes about 15-20 minutes, but it took about 5.
Salad for the hubs, and you can do as well in the potato salad as well. So it's very easy to do it. So we're gonna start to start this dish with the main ingredient, which is the basil. The basil is very important. Yes, there you go. Fresh basil. There you go. Now, then a little bit of
Today you're
pine
right.
nuts. Yes, it's fresh. It's fresh. It's fresh.
Because last time you bring spinach, the same color, nobody noticed. You had the smell.
Yes, I know. And then some walnuts and garlic, fresh garlic, roasted garlic. Now, when I eat the garlic, I like to roast it a little when I eat raw. Why? Because when you eat raw garlic, it remains a strong flavor in your mouth. You don't want that. So if you roast the garlic and you're gonna do a cold sauce, always roast it, so release the stronger flavor like I do. You know? Little garlic, because you like garlic.
Garlic is
Garlic, you say. Then a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano, which already grated here. And what is it?
I'm not working the garlic.
Okay, so I'm gonna use
You bring
extra
here
virgin olive
the
oil.
empty bottle, applicant.
There you go, extra virgin olive oil. Now,
Excuse
always
me?
recommend, yes.
It's
this is-
okay.
Yes, I know.
This is already almost empty.
It's almost empty.
You say extra virgin.
Extra virgin oil, yeah. Why not? It's not extra
The
virgin.
extra virgin is
Yeah.
the first press of
Yes,
the oil.
absolutely correct.
How many people press this can? Excuse me.
Yes. So now, here we have a beautiful equipment which I bought in Amazon, but normally many years ago the pesto used to be an amort, with the stone.
Yeah.
So it became a nice sauce. Here, because we need to make more practice, and at home you want to do something like this. You see now, this is the color we're looking for. There you go. You see? Now, there is a pesto sauce. Very easy and easy to make. Now, what I always recommend when you are at home, if you want to use a small part of that, yes, take the part that you're going to use, and the left, you're going to keep in the fridge. But always make sure that you put a little bit of oil on top, so it covers, it doesn't become black. Very, very important. Now, to make this pasta, I will...
Guys, we're going for a galley tour. Not sure if I can film or not, but we're going on a galley tour. Really, really good to know. I love seeing this about the ice machine. Like where they wash the dishes at, right here.
Like, of course, more parts of it.
Guys, always washing, even when you're in the galley. Guys, there's some dessert that's been created by some young junior chefs. Look how nice that looks. There's another dessert, guys, that the kids made. Look, guys, this is the dessert. All the dessert. Guys, amazing tour of the galley. You will see also some photos and videos of the lovely desserts that the junior chef made. Guys, I wanted to let you know that the screen here is at every door, and you have a selection to say privacy or service stateroom. All right, guys, as I'm enjoying the beautiful balcony, breeze, and weather, till we get back home to 50 degrees while it's 80, I want to show you guys the breakfast room service that you can order. And here's a menu, and of course you see different things on here you can select. The only thing right now that they charge you for the stateroom breakfast as of November 2023 is for bottled water. The rest is included. You just put how many you want per selection, your stateroom, and how many people are in your room, and a time. And they've been coming true to time that you select. So I like this option. Especially the room service, and there's not even a service fee. I've ordered, but there's normally a service fee. Also, guys, I wanted to let you know, if you're doing regular room service, they have an Order Now app, and I do believe either if you're Princess Plus or if you're Premier Plus, I do believe they waive the $14.99 one-time fee. It's just a one-time fee through doing your cruise. That you can do, so make that selection and have regular room service outside of breakfast delivered to your room. But then there's also several items on there that there is a fee, for each item. But it's just that the $14.99 is a flat fee. It's normally waived either for Princess Plus, like I said, or Premier Plus.